Want to practice like the real exam? Let's see how you can subscribe to AI-generated question papers on questionpaper.in. This tutorial explains how to subscribe to AI-powered question paper generation plans. On questionpaper.in, you can generate AI-powered question papers designed exactly like your real exams. You can explore free options or unlock advanced features with a subscription. You will learn to navigate the platform, claim offers, and sign in to access personalized practice papers. First, visit questionpaper.in AI, click the Try AI Paper Generator button to start exploring AI-powered question paper options. Click the Claim Free Offer button to access a trial or promotional subscription for the AI question paper generator. Now, click on the email field and enter your active email address. This email will be used for login and important updates. Authentication. Enter your password to verify your identity and access your account securely. Click the Sign In button to log into your account and proceed with subscription management. Click the AI dashboard to manage your subscription plans and generate personalized question papers. You have successfully subscribed to AI question paper generation plans by navigating the platform, claiming offers, and signing in. Next, explore the AI dashboard to customize and generate practice papers tailored to your exam needs.